framework is a laptop that has just released pre-orders, and their website went down over and over and over yesterday from the hype in terms of people wanting to pre-order. But this is a laptop that's available for pre-order that is specifically designed to be updated, to be modified, to be repaired by the end user, which is incredibly important in the current context and everything of right to repair fights and things like that. But it is a laptop specifically designed to be modified. Everything is modular, everything's user accessible, and everything's upgradable. It is a DIY edition, which I think is really cool. And this is one of those things where realistically, you got to buy the best product for you. So if you need specific hardware, you need a specific keyboard, you have a specific experience that supports your work the best, it is kind of important that you buy that within some capacity that lets you do your work. But at the same time, as a scene, we need to support projects like this that represent our values, that represent our fight for right to repair, that allows you to do these kinds of things. And so if you've been looking for a laptop that allows these things, this is an option available for you. I haven't looked at specs yet. The DIY edition is configurable from $749. I don't know what kind of hardware they have available, but it seems well supported. Their warranties seem great. You can even upgrade and swap out the monitor panel, like lots of stuff like that. It looks like they have 11th gen mobile processors from Intel, only shipping Windows at the moment, or you can just have no operating system available. I do wish they would ship with some Linux. Configure it by default. You've got WD Black NVMe drives, which is awesome. 8 to 32 gigs of memory, Wi-Fi 6E, awesome 60 watt USB-C charger, and the display. Whoo! All right, I want one of these right now. I would prefer a Ryzen option, but I really want one of these because it has a 3x2 2256 by 1504 display. This sounds phenomenal. Then of course you got Iris Xe graphics, a 1080p 60 FPS webcam. I would love to play around with that. And expansion ports, a fingerprint reader, backlit keyboard. This sounds freaking awesome. As well as they have an expansion card system. It looks like it's using just USB-C ports here to do the expansion. So maybe it's Thunderbolt or something. I'm not certain because that just looks straight up like USB-C. But you can pass through, yeah, USB 4. Here we go. The default card supports USB 4. It has 20 volt 5 amp charging, display port for monitors, and you can use it on either side of the notebook, which is phenomenal. Then you can get a USB-A port instead. You can get HDMI for 4K 60, display port for 8K 60 because it's DP 1.4. Whew, this is awesome. The only complaint, Sienna pointed out, it is a 13.5 inch display, but honestly, I don't see it being a problem. I think some people will prefer bigger displays, but I think for the little portable thing it is, I 100% want to get my hands on this because this sounds incredible. Go check it out if you want. This is not sponsored, obviously. I've never even touched it, but I want to support projects like this.